Revive 4000 is the new steam and vacuum single-phase machine designed by STI for the cleaning, disinfection and sanitization of cars, means of transport, ambulances, boats and others. The removal of dirt takes place by means of three actions: thermal, chemical and mechanical action. Unlike many traditional systems which fail to rinse the detergent used, our machine removes it completely thanks to the steam generated by the machine itself. Revive 4000 allows you to adjust both the amount of detergent, dose master technology, to avoid any waste, and the flow of wet steam, wet master technology, with the advantage of leaving the fabric dry and totally detergent-free. Our exclusive Flow Master technology makes it very easy to manage the dry steam flow and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. As I said, Revive 4000 is equipped with a suction function. Such technology, called Dry Master, allows the operator to vacuum and dry up perfectly the surface treated with steam. In addition, the machine's exclusive Infinivac system offers the possibility to adjust the suction power to obtain an even better cleaning result. The Revive 4000 comes with a complete accessory kit, specially designed to allow cleaning of any surface inside the vehicle. The boiler has a capacity of 3.5 liters, which develops 10 bar of power thanks to a pair of heating elements of 3600 Watt in total. Additionally, the boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.